Controversial ZANU-PF politician Killer Zivu is publicly criticized a section of the party, see younger members, arguing that they pose a threat to the future of the ruling party and the country if entrusted with the national leadership. Nzanabna mashkona mdanyu kapongwa na chinzi. Chiwenga is the right man to rule, Zivu says. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timita Pankwani Munabubra Comshinzi. In a post shared on X over the weekend, Zivu expressed his support for Vice President Chiwenga to succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa after 2030, while taking aim at what he described as overly ambitious young politicians. In quotes, General Chiwenga should take over from President ED in 2030. If we care about this country, if we leave it to these young guys, they will sell it overnight. Zivu also argued that Zimbabwe would benefit from a broader political arrangement after 2030, rather than continued dominance by a single political party. After 2030, an inclusive government is what our country needs most. A one-party state is even worse than the Smith government. His remarks are likely to fuel further debate within ZANU-PF over the party's future leadership and the role of younger politicians in shaping Zimbabwe's political landscape. Toma developments and obda pangwa ine aitongwa na politician Killer Zivu. Pangwa ine yani ya pangwa ine achitaura mashukano ruhadza katanabata vazhinji, especially those aligned to Vision 2030. Pangwa ine achid VP Constantino Chiwenga, the man who led the 2017 military transition, but Pangwa ine is the rightful man with awe achitora matomo from President E.D. Mnangagwa in 2028. Pangwa ine yonokokwenzi VP Constantino Chiwenga is under attack, and Pangwa ine even the Cap 3 was structured and engineered to block his presidency. Now, comment section videos of more aim to leave on celebrity. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.